Hello, my name is Adam, and welcome to howtomakeacpn.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a legal CPN number. If your intentions is developing a CPN number, watching this video is the best thing you can do in learning how to create a CPN number. Number 1. The first thing you need is knowledge in the construction of both Social Security numbers as well as EIN numbers. For most professionals, building a CPN number is best done using identity verification software, such as SafeScan, LexisNexis, ChoicePoint, and have access to software that can pull a credit report to ensure no current or prior usage found on the 9-digit number you are using for a CPN number. Fact: did you know there is a very high level of overlap found between EIN numbers and SSN numbers in the credit bureau databases? This is why developing a CPN number is not free and can be a very costly venture, paying a qualified expert in assisting you in finding an unused 9-digit number capable of being a good CPN number. Most larger CPN processors such as LegalCPN.com has used screening software to ensure and guarantee no prior or current usage found on the CPN, and also ensure no intent of identity sharing, identity theft, or merging of credit profiles. LegalCPN.com's understanding of CPN numbers, combined with their expertise in software, enabled them to develop tens of thousands of clients successfully with credit approvals. It is very important for you to remember, if you do not have access to these types of software, or you lack knowledge from the processing of thousands of CPNs, which provides high levels of experience, it would be far easier for you to purchase your CPN here on our website with a tri-merged guarantee and information to adding your first primary trade line with how-to instructions. Secondly, the second part to developing your CPN is your address. In this step, you will need to know how to build your credit profile. When building your new CPN credit profile, you will need to choose an address where you have never received mail, do not have any bills, and most importantly, is not listed on any credit profile you may be associated with. Thirdly, the third part to developing your CPN is a phone number. In this step, you will need to choose a phone number which is not listed on any credit profile connected with you or any other credit profiles you may be associated with. Fourthly, the fourth part to developing your CPN is your email address. In this step, you will need a new, unused email address. And like in the previous 3 steps, your email address should not be linked to you or any previous profiles you may be associated with. To be safe when building your CPN credit profile, please make sure your email is brand new. The fifth step, and most importantly, is performing the 3 hard pulls. All research and sources we found lead us to believe that performing the 3 hard pulls 3 to 4 days apart is the key to opening and the development of your new CPN credit profile. You need to understand the credit bureaus without your knowledge, authorization, and consent will obtain or steal your information from credit inquiry. And if they do not have your information, they will build a new credit profile in their databases from your personal information, thus creating a new credit profile. Our research has found this is a loophole that helps you exploit their system. The only thing you need to do is simply apply for something as small as a piece of candy or pack of paper, and the credit bureaus will do all the rest. Please be aware, when you make your purchase from us, you will receive 4 PDFs, which are critical in the development of your CPN. The first is, "Now I have my CPN, what do I do?" And the second, ABC 123 CPN Secrets ebook PDF. These PDFs were written by CPN new credit profile professionals, and these PDFs are followed in a how-to format, enabling you the information needed in establishing your CPN. Most importantly, when making your application submission, it has been written for persons with an annual income of $50,000 to $80,000, with a current address greater than 5 years, and time on the job also greater than 5 years. Statistically, this has been shown to produce stronger results. When applying, always use identical information because the credit bureaus will add every application entry into your credit profile, comparing one application result to the next, expecting the same information from the employer, income, address, phone number, and history. All of these are keys to obtaining instant credit approvals. Special note. As indicated in the ABC 123 CPN Secrets PDF, and now I have my CPN What Do I Do PDF. You will be declined for these initial loan attempts because you did not have a credit profile nor a credit score. This step is strictly done to register your new CPN number with all 3 credit agencies, which is an essential step and should be performed prior to adding seasoned trade lines or making real credit attempts seeking approvals. Please remember, you must remain consistent. You will need to put the same information for all credit applications, all the time, unless your financial information, address, phone number, email address, or other biographical information change. As a responsible vendor, we must inform you. Your CPN is not a second Social Security number. You are legally responsible for any debts you incur. Our best advice in building a good CPN profile the right way the first time. Use identity verification software and credit software to ensure against current or prior usage and ensure against intent of identity sharing, identity theft, or merging of credit profiles. Please remember, if you do not have access to these types of softwares, or you lack the experience of thousands of clients, it would be far easier for you to purchase your CPN below with a guarantee. Your CPN is your foundation. Purchasing a CPN is serious and can help you and your family immediately. We do not recommend practicing or experimenting on your financial future using a professionally established tri-merged CPN credit profile.